Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. Yesterday also we discussed many levels where we can buy gold at retracement. But yes, again gold did not come for retracement and we had to buy at breakout. And yes, our breakout did pretty well. For the last couple of weeks, gold is not coming down for retracement and our buy at breakout, okay, doing a fine job. But the problem is that, okay, thousands and thousands of traders around the world are still selling gold. Okay, almost every day I receive many messages where people ask me, Avilash, when gold is coming down, when gold will reverse. And the problem is that nobody knows from where gold will reverse or whether gold will reverse or not. Because for a trend reversal, we need a big fundamental factor. And right now, we don't have any fundamental factor that will bring a complete trend reversal. There is no point in talking about resistance, moving average, some patterns. No, technicals. Okay, technicals come secondary. At first, we need to look at the market sentiment. Fundamentals give direction to the market, and right now we don't have any fundamental reason that will change the direction of the market. And if we look at the fundamentals, then we will see that fundamentals are pointing on the upward direction. If we look at the upcoming interest rates, then there is a possibility that there may be rate cuts by the year end that will make gold fly again. If we look at the geopolitical tension, then yes, any news from the Middle East will make gold fly again. So fundamentals are bullish right now. So things are a little scary. Undoubtedly, technically things are very dangerous right now, but still we cannot deny the fact that market is still bullish. And in this world, in this whole planet, nobody knows right now from where gold will reverse. I know many traders who are predicting that gold will reverse from 2400, 2500, 2600, and they have lost thousands of dollars. So, my dear friend, till now we don't have any news yet. So, please try to follow the trend of the market. Okay. When there will be a reversal, for example, today during the US session, we have PC data coming up. So, PC data may be a reason that will bring sell off on the chart of gold. If something happens, okay, for example, if we see a big red candle during the US session, then you need to stop immediately. Why? Because after this all time, okay, if there is a sudden trend reversal, we need a confirmation that yes, finally gold is going down. Because if a trend reversal comes also, it will continue for a couple of days. So if you miss the one or two candles, then it's not a big deal. Okay, try to be a trader, not a gambler. And if nothing happens as such, then obviously we still need to respect the present trend of the market. Means we need to look for buy at retracement, and if market doesn't come for retracement, then buy and breakout is the only trading strategy we should follow. So at first, let's look at the market sentiment. Gold steady at record peaks. Gold remained near 2670 per ounce on Friday, trading at record levels as markets brace for the highly anticipated USPC report for further guidance on the Federal Reserve's monetary policy outlook. Okay, so this is the market sentiment. Market is mostly stable right now. So there is still no news of trend reversal yet. Okay, so in this market condition, okay, the best trading strategy is obviously is buy a dip right now. And where are the dips? Where are the support levels? The first support level on the chart of gold is around 2658. Okay, let me write it down. 2658 to 2655. This is the first support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position because of support around this area. And the next levels where you can look for buy on the chart of gold is around 2647, 2645. And then 2637 to 2635. These are the three levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. If market comes down to this level, if you see the market is showing price rejection from below, we can look for a buy position. For example, right now we can see that gold has formed a big red candle. If you see a similar candle at 2658 area, then obviously we need to use our common sense and we need to just skip it, because no level is permanent in the market. Our capital is limited, so we need to get the confirmation first. So yesterday gold bounced from 2655 level, so we are considering this particular low here, and we can see that we have the next FIBO around 2647 area, which is FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and we are considering 2637 area because of FIBO 78.6% retracement level. And as I already said, that we are considering 2558 to 5545 area, this particular area, because of previous support around this area. Okay, and we can expect that market may bounce from here. You can see that I have also drawn a trend line here. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of trend line, but it came to my eyes. Okay, I could see it, so I have drawn it, and I can see that already markets is standing on the trend line. But honestly, I do not trade on trend lines. I left trading on trend lines a long time ago. But if you guys want to go for a buy, it's up to you. But personally, I'll be looking for buy position around these three areas only. And obviously, you should not forget, today is Friday and last Friday of the month, so anything may happen. For the last couple of months, we have witnessed crazy amount of volatility during the Fridays. So if you see the market is totally crazy, not respecting anything, just do not trade, just observe the market, or just shut down the laptop and enjoy some good time with your family. Because when the market is too volatile, when market doesn't respect anything, you don't need to gamble with your capital. Market will give you plenty of opportunities during the normal circumstances, so you don't need to gamble when the market is too crazy. Do not forget that today is Friday. Okay, so do not fry your accounts. And if market goes up, because sometimes, not sometimes, okay, for the last couple of weeks, market is too bullish, that market is not coming down for proper retracement. If the same story repeats again, then obviously we can look for a buy above yesterday's high of 2686. During the US session, if you see the market is volatile again, market is bullish, so we can look for a buy above 2686. How much we can expect? We can expect 80 to 120 pips. Means we can expect that market will go to 2696. Okay, 2696 area, or 2700, as we all know, is the next target. And before 2686, you can see that we can also look for a buy position above 2674 area. Taking a buy at breakout above 2674 is little riskier, but it's an immediate level. So if you want, then you can also go for a buy above it as well. So these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold right now. Be careful during the US session. Again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, in this whole situation, only buyers make the money. Yes, taking a sell position gives us the adrenaline rush. It gave us the thrill, but most of you have lost money by taking a sell position. Gold is fundamentally bullish, that we cannot deny. There is no denial here, because yes, there will be retracements, okay, from time to time, but we cannot say that gold is fundamentally bearish. So it has been proved historically that buyers are always in profit. Okay, I'm not talking about day trading, I'm talking about positional trades here. So my dear friend, right now also gold is bullish. We don't have any confirmation of a trend reversal yet, so try to be on the buy side. If any news comes out during the US session, which is PC data, and it brings a trend reversal, that's a different story. Okay, but as of now, we don't have anything, so please try to respect the present trend of the market, and respecting the ongoing trend, we should be on the buy position only, which is buying at retracement is the best trading strategy, or else we can also go for buy at breakout. So if market comes down to our levels of 2658, 2655 area, we can look for a buy around this area, or 2647, 2645, 2637, 2635. These are the levels. In case market doesn't come for retracement like yesterday, we can look for a buy at breakout above 2674, 2686 area as well. Okay, and that's all. And my dear friends, and from today the English workshop is starting, so I won't be bothering you with the announcements that 3 days left, 4 days left. Okay, it's over.